In this video, I'll show you how to use Peacock with a student discount. Step 1. Check eligibility for student discount. Visit the official Peacock website and navigate to the student discount section. Confirm your eligibility by entering a valid.edu email address. Step 2. Verify student status. Peacock may use a third-party service like Share ID to verify your student status. Provide the necessary documents if they ask for it, for example, your student ID and enrollment proof. Step 3. Subscribe at a discounted rate. Once verified, select the discounted plan offered to students. Complete the payment process to enjoy Peacock Premium at a reduced cost. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below.